Most people don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because they repeat bad money habits every single day. You can change that by fixing small routines that quietly drain your cash month after month. This video outlines 4 practical reasons people stay broke and how to fix each one. Tip 1. Track every dollar so you know exactly where your money goes. Tip 2. Pay yourself first. Move savings and investments before discretionary spending. Tip 3 and 4 cover avoiding status spending and building small, consistent financial habits. Tip 1. Track every dollar. Start by listing income and every expense for 1 month. Categorize fixed bills, subscriptions, food, transport, and discretionary spending using simple columns. Identify recurring subscriptions and costs you forgot were active. Those small charges add up. Look for single large line items you can reduce this month and free immediate cash flow. Review your spending weekly. Small course corrections are easier than big, late fixes. Make tracking automatic with a single spreadsheet or one consistent app until it becomes a habit. Tip 2. Pay yourself first. Automate transfers to savings and investments on payday. Start an emergency fund with a small weekly contribution. Aim for a starter goal of $1,000. Next, build a simple investing allocation. Even modest monthly amounts compound over time. If possible, target 10 to 20% of income into savings and investments as you improve habits. Automation removes temptation. When transfers happen first, spending choices change automatically. Treat saving like a priority bill. Consistency matters more than perfect timing. Tip 3. Stop trying to look rich. Status spending drains accounts without increasing security. Delete shopping apps, mute ads, and remove easy triggers for impulse purchases. Buy based on use and value rather than how things make you look to others. Avoid financing lifestyle upgrades. Interest and fees quickly erase any perceived benefit. A modest lifestyle plus steady investing beats appearing rich and staying financially fragile. Measure wealth by net worth and freedom, not photos or brands. Tip 4. Learn and plan. Small, consistent education beats chasing hot tips. Set 3 clear goals: an emergency fund, a debt reduction plan, and a retirement path. Break each goal into weekly actions. Review, save a set amount, and cut one cost. Track progress monthly and celebrate small wins to keep momentum and avoid burnout. Consistency compounds. Over years, steady habits create meaningful wealth. Patience matters. If this helped, save this video, follow for more financial clarity, and start tracking today.